Hello guys, and welcome back to Mr. Mad Donkey Hunt. Today in this video, it's not really a cool video. It's basically the classic cars collection. If you can see, classic cars. Basically I'm just gonna be showing you the cards, and then basically that's it. So let's get into the video. Right. This is the first car. Very nice detail. As you can see at the back, there's no license plates, just gold. Okay, it fell. Okay, now it's upside down. On this side, we saw that already. Let's go to the other side. Oh look, a nice little tire right there. Yeah, that's very nice. All right, car number 2. This is the blue, probably the BMX. Those are some nice features there at the front, and then like, oh my gosh, this one is nice. This one is totally nice, and then the extra tire there as well. Okay, this is the gray one. Oh yes, this is a brilliant one. Nice little tire, nice little golden stuff. I literally just got these, right? Number 4. This one is not like the rest. This one is very peculiar. Okay. Okay, look at it. Yeah. Okay, this is the 5th one. This one is beautiful. The white and gold. This is very nice. It's very nice. These cars are extremely nice. There's not really anything at the bottom. Basically, just that for all. And this, guys, this one has to be explosive. This one is the golden Jeep. Okay, this is what I'm definitely going to be using as my model city when I make it. This is the bomb. Okay, this is probably the best old-time day car they have. Okay, this is the best. Like this is the best. This is the total best. Oh my word! Just look at the features. Just look at it. And the rest are not even that. This is the track. These are the first 2 that are literally gonna go to race from here to the end. Let's see the competitors in this race. The white one doesn't really have any features, but it's still perfect. And then the gray one. Yeah. The second best. Mommy. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Who's gonna win? Oh my word. That is... Unfortunately, the gray one won. So the gray one will go on to the next round. You go. The winner of the first round, the gray one, and the loser, unfortunately, the white one. That's some of the second best features, but unfortunately, he has to go in the loser spot, and he goes in the qualifying spot. The golden one there, just looking. Hi everyone. The next competitors in this race is just like this green one, this funny green one, and then this one. Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Okay. Now that was close. I watched it. I didn't really get the recording great, but the winner has been chosen. The green one has gone on to the next round. And unfortunately losing is him. He goes in the loser spot. And those are the first two qualifiers. Next in this one, we have the big guy, the golden. This is the semi-final, so if he doesn't go through to the finals, this is going to be very sad. And then this one, I don't even know if this one is even going to get through, or if it's even going to win. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! That was definitely the gold one. That was definitely... I had to show that one. That one was really close. That is the winner. Standing winner of the race. And unfortunately, this is the loser. Well, the first one up we have in this final is the gray one. It has a very good port of stamina to get down to the final meters. But let's see what he will produce in the final. This is known to be the fastest of them all, but is not necessarily faster than the Go Jeep. This is their first time enemying up after with an injury in the final last year, which I never did a video on that, but I did play with my toys. Yeah. And the big man, the big Jeep, the gold Jeep, the one and only Go Jeep. Now, time for the big race. Who is the fastest? Set, go. Oh! That was very close. But the decided winner is the green one. Producing well in the finals, producing not very well in the semi-finals. He didn't really show us anything, but he won. Yes, he did. Second, unfortunately, was pulling out to this guy. I was wondering what he was going to produce, and what he produced was well. And unfortunately, the big man failed to finish. But he still is the champion for all of us. That is sufficient for us. At least he qualified to get through to the finals, to at least see, to get a spot. Oh, this guy is glancing in joy. He has the best motorized engine, so we were basically expecting. Just look at that gold engine at the back. There's no way you could ever doubt that. And these are the standings. First was to this man. Second was to him. And third, unfortunately, to him. And these are the rest who failed to qualify for the finals. Well, that was our video for today. Goodbye. Hee haw.